It is wee hours in the morning and I'm tired, but I decided that I would do an issue of Bird TV. I'm that dedicated. It's going to be short because I'm tired. I said that before, didn't I? Okay, the news is from the German newspaper Spiegel Online International. First item. Dalil Babaker is one of France's most prominent Muslims. In a Spiegel Online interview, he discusses what retiring Pope Benedict did wrong in bridging the Muslim-Catholic divide and how the two religions need to make a fresh start at interfaith dialogue. I'm going to leave that alone because I really have no use for these organized religions. I don't. Item number 2. More than 80% of Timbuktu's priceless manuscripts were smuggled out of the ancient city before Islamists began to attack its cultural heritage. Now, you would think that religion's fixation on the destruction of books and anything educational would have been a thing of the past. What is so scary about people not being ignorant? Can you tell me that? Okay, 2 more items. Digital spying burdens Chinese-German relationship. Where have we heard that before? And finally, research published Thursday in the journal Science says that even slightly warmer temperatures could start melting permafrost, which in turn threatens to trigger the release of huge amounts of green gases trapped in the ice. I read somewhere that global warming is a myth created by liberals to stop progress. Enough said. Okay, no drinks tonight because I am so tired. So let me just say good night, and here's a little bit of music.